What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Lintelek smartwatch. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £44.99 for it, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, we'll have a quick look around the box before we open it. And it says it's got a 1.3 inch screen on the front of the watch, and then it's got some information here at the bottom, but it repeats it at the back, so we'll go straight to the back because it gives a little bit more information. So straight on the top of it, it tells you how to connect the charging lead to the watch, and we'll have a look at that afterwards. And here it's got all the functions for it. So first of all, it tells you it's got a step counter, it calculates the distance, it calculates your calories. You can control your camera from here. So basically what that means is you can control your camera on your phone via your watch and use it like a remote control. Then after that, it's got an alarm clock, it's got a caller ID, so if you get a phone call on your phone it will show you on your watch. And then after that, it's got notifications, so if you get any notifications on your phone you can see them on your watch again. It's got a sleep tracker, and then it's got multiple sports modes. After that, it gives you your weather reports, and here you can control your music, what you play on your phone again. And like I said, you can just use your watch as a remote control to go through it and stuff. After that, you've got a stopwatch on it as well. Next, here you can see your heart rate monitor, and you've got your blood pressure monitor as well. And finally, you've got the blood oxygen monitor. So here we've got the scan code here, and if you scan that, depending on which phone you've got, it'll take you to Google Play or the App Store. So if you've got an Android device, it'll take you to Google Play. If you've got an iOS device, it'll take you to the App Store, and it will take you to this app called Fit app, which you can control your watch and set it up the way you want. So you can set up the interface on the face of it as well and change it to whatever you want. You can have an analog one, digital one. They've got loads of different ones on there basically. So you can just set up the watch there basically, and you can monitor your week's calories, what you've burnt off, or the distance you've walked, or your sleep tracker, anything like that on there. So right guys, what we'll do, we'll open the box up and have a look at the watch. So we'll have a look at the watch first. So the watch itself has got a magnetic strap. Well, it's not a magnetic strap, it's got, the strap itself is made out of metal, and it's got a magnet, if you can see that, and it locks on, and it's a pretty strong magnet. The watch itself is made out of metal. I'll just take this off. So the watch itself is made out of metal itself. The strap's made out of metal. So I'm just going to try this on quickly and test it out. Because when I first got it, I was a bit not sure about the strap being magnetic. So basically just put it on and it locks into place like so. And like I said, I was pretty shocked at it really. There's no way that's coming off. And even if you pull this off, it locks into place when it goes so far, and it stops it from coming off. So I'm just going to take that off. So I'm pretty impressed with the magnet on the strap. It's a very good idea, and the metal strap itself doesn't pull on your hairs or anything like that. So like I said, it's made out of metal. It feels really well built and everything. So on the back of here you can see the two metal things at the top. That's where you charge it from. On the back of here, this is where it monitors your heart rate, your blood pressure, and your blood oxygen levels from there. So like I said, once you download the app, you can change the interface face on it to a different one. So at the moment it's got an analog one on at the moment. It's got an invisible touch button at the bottom, so that'll flick through all the different modes. So this is the sports mode where it tells you the distance, how many calories and stuff like that. So I'm a bit new to this myself. Then after that, here you've got your sleep monitor. Here it measures your heart rate. Don't think it will do it while it's on my finger, but I'm going to try it. So it does work. I've just put my finger on there so it can pick up my pulse. So that was pretty cool. After that, it's got the stopwatch. Here you get all your messages or your notifications. Next, here it measures your blood pressure. Here it measures your blood oxygen levels, I think. I'm not sure what that is actually. Here you can control your camera on your phone with your watch. And here you can control the music as well. It says others here. If I hold this for a few seconds, it'll let me into it. So you've got your stopwatch here, sorry. You can mute your sound. You can reset your watch. You can power it off. And you can set the brightness. So right guys, that's everything on here what I can show you. And like I said, it's a pretty cool watch. I'm pretty impressed with it really. I wasn't too keen on the magnetic strap, but like I said, I'm pretty shocked with it. So right, I'm just going to show you the charging lead, what comes with it. So this is the charging lead. They just wrapped it up around here, so I'm just going to untangle it. So it's got a USB connection, so you just connect that up to a plug. So to connect it to the watch itself, like I said, if you can look on the back of there, they've got the two metal prongs there. That's where it connects up to. So the charging lead itself, it's got some pads on here so it'll stop the watch from getting scratched, and it's got it on both sides actually. So to connect it up, what you'll do is you'll just slot it on like this. And that's connected now on the pins. I don't know if you can see that, and that'll charge the watch up itself. And like I said, it won't scratch your watch at all because it's got the pads on there. So right, that's the charging lead for it. Then we've got the user manual for it as well. And you get 1 year's warranty with it. So right guys, that's everything in the box itself and everything I can tell you about it. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.